Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol DBMM. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. In this case, very nice uptrend, and the easiest way to see the uptrend is all in regards to that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and we'll get to that in a little bit. But let's first start talking about areas of support, and then we'll talk areas of resistance. So the ideal area of support going forward, meaning if you were to say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above that point there at 0035, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. Now, in the event the price falls below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would be a great sign of strength on the bull's part. And then encircle back to that purple line. From the big picture of things, it's all about that purple line. Again, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. Meaning as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards like that. And if you want to picture that as a trend line, that's more than logical. So when you stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price itself have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase. And that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So big picture perspective, easiest way to look at this is as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? The key area of resistance that stands out to me, yeah, I realize the price got up there and hit 005, but that was only one time. The other problem point that seems to be much more of a problem is right here at 0047. You can see numerous occasions bulls try to get up through there and couldn't quite do it. So yeah, 005, I'd consider a level of resistance, but as far as kind of the key and true area of resistance, based on the history here, it seems as though those sellers are hanging out quite a bit right there at 0047. All in all, though, the easiest way to look at this is as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows like it's been doing, the long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. So we'll see what happens with it next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.